Rice cookers in 2025 have evolved way past the single-button machines we grew up with. So whether you're cooking for one, feeding a crowd, or chasing fluffy rice with every batch, we've got you covered. The low-carb sugar rice cooker is a niche pick that actually delivers. It's designed to reduce starch content in rice, and while we were skeptical at first, the results were noticeably lighter and fluffier. It uses a two-pot system, one for cooking, one for draining excess starch, and it worked well with both white and brown rice. The stainless steel and non-stick combo made cleanup easy, and the compact size is perfect for small households or carb-conscious eaters. Check the description for specs and pricing. It's a smart pick if you're watching your macros. The Aroma digital rice cooker is a multitasking champ. We used it to cook jasmine rice, steam veggies, and even make quinoa, and it handled everything without fuss. The digital controls are intuitive, the keep warm function kicks in automatically, and the stainless steel exterior gives it a clean, modern look. It's a great mid-size option for small families or meal preppers. Check the description for current deals. It's often bundled with a steam tray and measuring cup. The Zojirushi NP-HCC10XH is the premium pick, and it shows. This induction heating rice cooker adjusts temperature with pinpoint precision, and the results were consistently perfect. Fluffy white rice, chewy brown rice, and even porridge that didn't stick. The menu settings are extensive, and the build quality is top tier. It's not cheap, but if you eat rice daily and want the best, this one's worth the splurge. Check the description for availability and updated pricing. It tends to sell out fast. The Aroma Housewares ARC302 NGBL is a compact, no-frills cooker that surprised us. It's super lightweight, easy to use, and ideal for singles or couples. We tested it with sushi rice and steel-cut oats, and both came out evenly cooked. It doesn't have digital controls, but the one-touch operation is foolproof. If you want a basic cooker that just works, check the description. It's one of the most affordable options on the list. The BLACK+DECKER 16-cup rice cooker is the big batch specialist. We used it for meal prep and family dinners, and it handled large portions without burning or drying out the rice. The steaming basket is a bonus. We used it for dumplings and broccoli while the rice cooked below. The non-stick bowl lifts out easily for cleaning, and the keep warm function held temperature for hours. Check the description for bundle options and current pricing. It's a great value for the size. So whether you're watching your carbs, cooking for a family, or just want something that turns grains into gold, these rice cookers brought their A game. We tried them all, from low-carb specialists to full-blown induction magic, and found something for every style and budget. Check the description for links, specs, and the best prices we could find. Hit like if this made your decision easier, and subscribe for more hands-on kitchen gear reviews. Got a go-to rice cooker or favorite setting you swear by? Let us know in the comments. We're always hungry for tips.